What does it take to power 10 million homes by 2030? Well, meet the people making it happen. From hydro to power stations, from wind turbines right to your home. Ever wondered how the magic happens? Introducing the engineers in the field to the colleagues in the office. We spotlight the incredible people driving change across our business. Today, we're talking with Laura Cosby, who plays an important role here at SSE. So, let's dive in and find out what it is she does.
So my role is I'm a group internal communications manager, and what that means is I help to keep employees informed, engaged and connected to SSE's vision, values and strategy. So I sort of stumbled into communications. So I started off, I got my A-levels and then got a role as a sales and admin assistant. And then from there, I realised that it wasn't quite cutting it and I wanted to do something a bit different. So I actually started off in learning and development. And then from there, I worked with the comms team on a project, and the comms director said to me that she thought I'd be really good at communications. So it sort of grew from there. I did a role with Oxford University Press, the publishers, then moved into Network Rail and then SSE. So outside of work, I absolutely love to bake. I've done it since I was tiny. My mum and I have always done it together, and we go on courses to learn new skills, which is really great to spend time with her. And then I love going for long walks, especially if it involves getting a coffee at the end. And like I said, exercising, that's really important to me. So you'll find me at a Zumba dance class most nights of the week. No, I've definitely gone for roles that I haven't got in the past and sort of faced rejection. But I think you can't see it as a failure. It's definitely a learning experience. So I think for me, it's about asking that person for feedback on how you did and looking at those areas where you might need improvement. And I think that really fuels sort of your way to improve yourself and just gives you a bit of a pathway to get better and go for those future things. I have a very proactive approach to work, so I've always been dedicated and ambitious, and I think that probably stood out. And I don't think you can just wait for things to come to you. You need to be proactive and go out there and see where you can add value. I've recently just had experience doing that by helping our distribution team out with Storm Darragh support. So I helped over the weekend and talked to media, witnessed a BBC interview live, which was absolutely fantastic. And I think for me, it's identifying those opportunities where I can get that experience and do some job shadowing along the way. As I mentioned, I was quite a shy child, but I think the way that I've sort of overcome that is just through experience and also just having a go at everything. Like I said, I think taking yourself out of your comfort zone is the way to go, and nothing grows unless you venture out of it. Sort of getting up in front of large groups was definitely not in my natural sort of comfort zone. But one thing I've learned is you have to go out of your comfort zone to really grow and develop your character, and that's definitely what I've done and what I've tried to do with my time at SSE. I definitely really enjoy it now. I still get those nerves, but I really do sort of thrive off that adrenaline rush, and yeah, I do really enjoy it. I was such a shy child, so to get up in front of lots of people, deliver presentations, facilitate big events is honestly mind-blowing to me that I can do that now, but I think I've definitely come a long way and I'm really proud of myself for that. I'm really lucky, and I have great management and they really trust me and believe in me. So it's really great that I can have open and honest development conversations about what my career might look like in the future at SSE. They really empower me to sort of go out and seek new opportunities. And I don't think I've ever been turned down for, wanting to develop, which is just brilliant. So I think it is about writing down your goals, seeing where you want to go, and then finding practical ways for you to actually get there in the future.
That is exactly how it is.